It's Carter from We Love Fire Alarms here, and it's time for new HS855B System Test 1. Let's get started. Alright, so there has been some changes to the system. I'm pretty excited. Nothing really major, but things have moved around and new stuff has been added, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and go over and look at the panel. So as you can see, the panel is still the same. I still have some things to finish up on this system. I'm going to add a couple buttons here to do some stuff. But panel's still the same. Give it a little tag here. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. So now let's go over to the board. Now you notice down here that I have two pull stations. So right here we have a Simplex T-bar, and this actually goes to something other than the main system, which I'll show you in a minute. Right here we have the key switch, and right here we have the Potter T-bar, which goes to the main system here. So this is our pull station for that. Going over to the right, we have a Wheelock sync module. Now this is here because up here we have two True Alert devices, which is pretty cool. So for this system, I've decided to put a couple True Alerts on it using the Wheelock sync module. So when the Simplex T-bar is pulled, these two devices will go off strobe only. And maybe I'll do a couple Simplex voice evacuation or something with them. I don't know, I just wanted to have a Simplex setup here. Now let's go up from this pull station. Up here we have a Wheelock AS24MCW. This is the strobe only spot right here. Jack Williamson helped me out with the system, and he said to put all three of my Wheelock ASs up. So that's what I did today. Over here we also have a Wheelock AS. This one is set on strobe only today, just so I can silence the panel without it having to disconnect power, because it will keep going off. And over here we have another one, right here, my red one. So there we go, there's the notification spot. And if we step back, there's the whole board. I think it looks pretty cool. And then over here, we still have this setup over here. Today we have a BG12 here. Wow, go me. Obviously, my mounting job has not changed since the last systems. And then up here we have my third Wheelock AS, obviously. So there we go. So there's the system. I'm really happy with it. Things I'm going to be adding, wow, just kicked my Allen wrench. Things I'm going to be adding is a fire drill button for the Simplex stuff, and maybe a little more, I'm not sure. But with that being said, let's go ahead and set the system up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with the Firelight BG12. I've been having some trouble with these Wheelock ASs, mainly just because Wheelock ASs are really cheaply made, but hopefully this works. I have everything set to the lowest candela, so it hopefully won't overwhelm the thing. So here we go. Seems to be working fine. And we have audible silence for the strobe only one. Alright, and we can go ahead and reset the pull station here. Okay, we're fixing that now. I'm sorry. There, that is fixed. Done. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull the Potter T-bar. So, here we go. And we can go ahead and reset the pull station. Go ahead and get my Allen wrench here. And we'll go ahead and do a system reset. Alright, so we're going to be done with the Wheelock AS portion, because, you know, those are really loud. We're going to go on to the Simplex portion now. I'm just going to do a quick strobe test of them, and you guys can see how they work. So we can go ahead and pull this down. Pull that down. Hello, there we go. Loose wire or something. And as you can see, they're flashing in sync, which is pretty cool. And there's the sync module clicking away there. And we can go ahead and reset the pull station. And this isn't really connected to any buttons on here. As you can see, there's not even an alarm light. We can go ahead and... That's the firelight key. Go ahead and use this one. When you put the pull station back, it turns off the strobes. Well, there is new system test 1. That's all I'm going to do today, but look forward to more stuff coming in future system tests. Maybe I'll do a Simplex voice evacuation next time, and yeah, so next time maybe I'll do the key switch and fire drills and stuff, so look forward to that. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like the video, leave comments, and of course subscribe to the channel. This is why I don't like Wheelock ASs.